Do you know Indian dish called Palak Paneer? Well, today I had a craving for it. Of course, if you want to make Palak Paneer, you need to have a paneer. Who doesn't know what paneer is? I'll tell you. Paneer is cheese. Indian cheese. Very popular in Indian cooking. Every household there know their Palak Paneer. So let's go cook it up. Cheese, spinach, as I already mentioned, spices, of course onion, garlic, ginger. These three musketeers are always a must, I would say, in any Indian dish. And the specialty spices that will make this dish taste like a real Palak Paneer you would get somewhere in India. Of course, garam masala powder and a cumin powder. Spinach will get washed and blanched, blended in a blender so I get sort of like a paste. Then I will fry ginger, onion, garlic in a little bit of oil. Add my spinach in it, in this case the mixture from the blender, spices, cut the cheese in a cubes, throw it in, cook it all together for a good 5 minutes and stir in the yogurt. Done. Easy peasy, wonderful, with the basmati rice. Oh, I cannot wait. Spinach is in the water, boiling water, and now we will blanch it for good 3-4 minutes. Ginger and garlic got smashed, so I have a nice paste. Spinach is blended. Cheese is portioned. The mixture is boiling now. Spinach, spices, onion, ginger, garlic. Bring it to a boil, 2-3 minutes. Basmati rice ready. All ready. Ready to eat. If you know this dish or you're gonna try, let me know how you liked it. Now see you in the next video. Make your meals at home. Bye.